Hello everyone, just a quick video. I made a couple trades today. The first one didn't work out too well. The second one worked out real well. I took ROKU calls. Was trying to buy the dip here. I bought, I think it was right around here, and got a little bit of a bounce here, and I was actually up probably about 7 or 8%. But I was trying to play it up to this, at least sell the first batch here, and didn't quite work out. I stopped out. Ended up, if I would have held on for a while, it would have worked out up here. But so I took a loss on that one, and also traded Baba. Pull that up. Pull up the Bubba chart, and this one worked out real well. I didn't really watch the 15-minute or hourly chart on this when I got in, but I got in at 1351 at 151, which would have been right here. Actually would have been this candle here. Right at the beginning of this candle I got in. I like the fact that we had VWAP here, and we had yesterday's, or actually last Thursday's low. So we had both of these coming together here. We had a kind of a shooting star here, and then we had a bearish engulfing candle. I entered right at the opening of this candle, which would have been right here. So I was negative on it just briefly. Paid $1.24. I sold the first third at 209, which would have been right here. Right at the open of this candle, I sold the first bit. I paid $1.24. I sold the first bit for $1.40. So that's probably about 12%. I sold the second bit at 229, which would have been right about at the end of this close of this candle. I sold the second bit, and the idea was we were getting down close to this pivot point. So I sold the second bit here, and then I set a stop on the third bit for a close above the 16 EMA. I sold the second bit at $1.44, so that's about a 16 or so percent. So I set a stop to sell the last bit on a close above the 16 EMA, which was right here. So it sold right at the beginning of this at $1.65. I know at one point it was up quite a bit more. Let me see if I can see what it made it up to. It made it up to $1.80, but I had my stop set. It went out at $1.65, so it worked out to, let's see here. 165, 144, 140, and I paid $372. Worked out to 20.6% overall on that trade. But that's a good way to do things. It doesn't always work out in your favor, but you could sell part of it for a profit and set your stop on a close above a particular level, particular EMA. It's nice using a moving average, because the moving average will come down with your trade. If you set your stop for let's say a pivot point or some horizontal price point, then you're never going to, it doesn't matter if it's here or here, or if it's an hour later, it's still going to stop out at the same price. So Yeah, it would have been nice to have caught this down here, but I probably would have sold everything up here if I wouldn't have played it the way I did. So my entry was at 151. Let's see how it looked on the hourly chart. Right about the beginning of this candle, right about the open of this candle. But I didn't play it off the hourly. Let's see also the 15 minute entered at 151 would have been probably about halfway through this candle is when I got in. So that was my trades for today. I haven't been doing much trading. Obviously, there was a holiday yesterday. Markets were closed. I didn't trade much last week. I've just been really busy with work stuff. So I haven't been able to put the focus on. And a lot of the trades I've been getting into, I haven't. They probably weren't the best entries because I haven't been focused. I've been too distracted with other things. So kind of taking a step back from trading for right now. Just not really a step back, but I'm just slowing things down until things slow down with work. It's like I said, it's just non-stop for me lately. So hopefully things slow down here soon. I can start focusing on trading again, but I'll try to keep doing videos here and there. This will be a short video today. Still have some things to get done before the end of the day here, before I call it a day. So just a quick video there, and maybe I'll try to get a video in tomorrow. I don't know how my day is going to be tomorrow. We'll have to play it by ear and see how it goes. If I do get any trades, I'll try to do a video on it and let you know how it went. Talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.